Dear students in Prep 1, welcome back again in our school. Today we are going to talk about the uncovered part in the second term in Primary 6. The first part that we will talk about it today is solving first degree equation in one unknown. Solving first degree equations in one unknown. It means finding the value of the unknown from the first degree which satisfies the equation. Okay, dear students, do you know how to solve a first degree equation in one unknown without using substitution method? Okay, let's start and know how to solve it. Solving equations. The same method is used to solve equations. Added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. For example, here we have a balance with 2 pans, and as we can see, the 2 pans are equal. Can you tell me what happens if I take away 3 from the left pan? Here we have a balance with 2 pans, and remember the 2 pans must be are equal. In the left pan, we have missing number with 3. And in the right pan, we have 7. Who can tell me what is the missing number in the left pan here to make balance between the 2 pans? Yes, the missing number here in the left pan is 4, because if you add 4 plus 3, you will get 7. Okay, here we have some exercise about solving equations, and you have to find the missing number in each one. Remember, you have to check your answer in each one. In number 1, what is the number? If you add 6 to it, you will get 8. Of course, we have 2. If we add 6 to it, we will get 8. In number 2, we have subtraction operation. What is the number? If you subtract 4 from 8, you will get 10. Here we have subtraction operation, and we have the missing number in the first. That means you will add the result plus 4 to get the missing number. So 10 plus 4 will be equal 14, and you have to check your answer. 14 minus 4 will be equal 10. The third one, 10 minus what will be equal 6? What is the number? If you take it from 10, you will get 6. Yes, this number will be equal 4. And 10 minus 4 equal 6. The last one, 4 plus what will be equal 9. That means, what is the number? If we add 4 to it, you will get 9. Yes, this number will be equal 5, because 4 plus 5 will be equal 9. How to solving one-step equations? You have to follow the golden rule to solving one-step equations. The first step, you have to ask about which side of the equation has the variable, because you will get the variables all on one side and get everything away from the variables. Number 2, what is being done to the variable? Addition, subtraction, multiplied, or dividing. Number 3, do the opposite operation using the same number. And the last step, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Remember, you have always follow the golden rule. Now try to solve this equation by using the golden rule. Number 1, x plus 6 equal 9. Here we have a number adding to x. That means you will remove this number by adding its additive inverse. The additive inverse of 6 is negative 6. So you will add negative 6 in both sides to be x plus 6 minus 6 equal 9 minus 6. Now, the left side will be equal x, and 6 and minus 6 will be equal 0, because any number plus its inverse will be equal 0. And the right side will be equal 3. So the solution set for this equation will be equal the set of 3. By the same way, you will use the golden rule to solve the equation of number 2. Here we have x minus 2 equal 3, and the solution set must be in z. Here we have number with subtracting with x. That means you will use the opposite of this operation by adding the additive inverse of negative 2. The additive inverse of negative 2 is 2. And don't forget, you have to add 2 in both sides. So x minus 2 plus 2 equal 3 plus 2. And the left side here will be equal x. And the right side will be equal 5, because 3 plus 2 will be equal 5. So the solution set of this equation in z will be equal the set of 5. In number 3 here, we have equation 4x equal 24. As we can see here, we have number multiplying by x. That means you will use the opposite of this operation. The opposite of multiplying operation is dividing operation. So you will divide both sides of this equation by 4. So the left side will be equal 4x divided by 4 equal 24 over 4. Now you will cancel 4 in the left side with its denominator to be x, and the right side will be 6. And the solution set of this equation will be equal the set of 6. In number 4 here, we have x over 5 equal 4, and you have to find the solution set in n by using the golden rule. Here we have a number dividing with the x. That means you will use the opposite of the operation of dividing is multiplying. And remember, you have to multiply both sides by this number. So x over 5 multiplying by 5 equal 4 times 5. And you will simplify the left side to be equal x and the right side will be equal 20. The solution set here for this equation will be equal the set of 20.